Dear students, I welcome you all for this online learning. So the basic purpose of this video is to go ahead with how to utilize the Eiger website and how to obtain Markforged University certificate. So before I get into the process, so I wish to convey the purpose of this video is to go ahead with the preparation for online learning as well as assessment, so that at the end of the two pathways you will be getting two certificates from Markforged University, especially in the field of 3D printing involving polymers as well as metal composites. Okay, so that's the purpose. So everyone would have been given with an invite. So as you see, yes, like this you would have got a mail. First step what you need to do is just go ahead with clicking of this Eiger website and know what is going to be your user ID as well as password. So here I have taken just for the case of just mere understanding, but you would have got a different temporary password. Okay, so first let me click the website. So it takes us to another web page like this. So here the first foremost thing is I'll use this particular user ID at svc.ac.in. Okay, so I'll use the temporary password, but be cautious that you need to use two passwords. So right now one for the Eiger website. Okay, so I'm just signing in. So the moment I sign in, what will happen is it will ask for a new password. So what I'll do is I'll just set some temporary password for this particular case. That is, this is going to be the password for the Eiger website. So another website will be getting in. So you need to know those things. So just accept the terms and conditions. Scroll it till to the end, then accept it. It gets accept and it will take you to a web page like this. So let me close. I am not going for any tour or anything, that is virtual tour. So now the case is it took us to one particular web page where I'll just close all these things. So now what is the main focus is, see, focus onto the top right corner, there is an hamburger symbol. Okay, so just click this hamburger symbol. So now from the top you have got the third option called as Markforged University. Okay, now we are going to get into this particular website, which will take us to another link by name Showpad. So for that we need to use another password. Okay, I'll just click this. It will ask confirm your email address like this. So resend email. Okay, so email sent. So I'll just close this. I'll come back to my mail ID. So here you can see there is another mail is there from Showpad. Showpad at Markforged University. So what you do is confirm your email. The first step is confirm your email. So it will take you to another website by name Showpad. Markforged.showpad.biz. So what I will do is I'll just use the same mail ID, but password will be different. Okay, not the earlier one what we used. It's a different password. So do not get confused with the same password. It's a different password. Now I just logged in with a new password. So now what happened is you just received an invitation to Eiger mail. So from the Eiger mail, by clicking upon the thing, we just came for another website Showpad. So now we'll log in. svc.ac.in. So I'll use the password what I set for this particular website. So now actually we don't have any function with respect to Eiger website. Whatever the thing we are going to do, it will be only with respect to Showpad. So check this box, continue. So now we'll get into Showpad website. So now we are inside the Showpad website. So now what is the main task here is we are going to access the library for the case of our online learning. So I'll just close down everything. So don't worry about any of these things. On the top you can see my assignments. Okay, students, I again emphasize, see earlier we just whatever the invitation you received was with respect to Iger. From the Iger, upon clicking everything, you just log in by means of temporary password. Then you get into the Iger website by using a new password. Then on the top right corner, hamburger symbol, third option, select Markforged University. It will come for a Showpad. So for the Showpad, just set a new password. Okay. So it is a different website, but the user ID is same, but the password is going to be different. So again, you are going to log in by means of the new password with the same user ID. So now what you are going to do is, on the top you have got 4 options: home, my assignments, library, bookmarks. So just go to my assignments. So you can see there are 2 main activities over there. The first activity is paths to do and the second activity is courses to do. So don't worry about the courses, just go to paths to do. So under the paths to do, you have got 2 paths. So first path is for Markforged University composite printing and the second thing is for Markforged University metal training. So what is the thing is, upon completing this video lectures for 7 hours 35 minutes, you will be given with a small test. Upon completion of this test, you will get Markforged University certificate. Okay. So likewise, when you see for the next metals training, so after spending 5 hours or 45 minutes of training, you will be getting certificate. So how to kickstart is just start path. So initially what will happen is, it will ask you for pre-training survey. There will be some 8 questions are there. So you just finish all the 8 questions, enroll. Okay, you just go ahead with enroll, then start course. 8 questions, series of questions will be asked. So answer for all those questions and finish course. So now what will happen is, here it will show the percentage of completion. Then you need to resume. There will be an option called as resume. So likewise you can go ahead with. So what is the main content here is, I'll just to show you how it is going to be. So there are totally 14 courses here and 11 lessons are there. Okay. So one survey. So one survey is the one what I showed you right now. So upon completion, you will get a task like this. So here are the 14 courses versus the 7, that is 11 lectures. So one by one, it will be showing you percentage. So you can see the maximum video is 1 hour and the minimum video is 5 minutes. Okay. So rest all in the range of 30, 40, 45 minutes. So likewise, you are going to finish. At the end, you will be given with a test. Okay. So upon completion of the test, you get your certificate. So now what is the thing is, all these activities must be finished before 15th of October. Okay. 15th of October, you are supposed to finish both these courses and a separate Google Drive will be shared and you are supposed to upload all these tasks there. That is, your certificates has to be uploaded there. Okay. So any doubts, please contact me. So thank you, students.